Business assurance isn't talked about enough by the sector. I think most would accept that. But even when it is, there's strong evidence to suggest that sole traders, contractors, consultants and cover on their lives are not really treated as part of the business assurance world. Now, it's really important, I think, that they are. They are the most key of key people. Now, of course, there isn't, in most cases, a business succession risk. But the start-off place for most people when they branch out on their own is as a sole trader, a consultant, a contractor. They may operate through a corporate structure, but it is just them. And given that it is just them, while there might not be a business succession need or issue or challenge, there is a key person need. They are the most key of key people. And this is really important if they have dependents, family, etc. Who's going to provide for them or the sole traders themselves if they're critically ill, seriously ill, if they don't put cover in place themselves? There's no employer cover, there's no group scheme. They are sole traders, contractors, people responsible for looking after themselves. With that comes the joy of doing that and building your own business and having the flexibility, but with that also comes the responsibility to put in place the appropriate cover should that catastrophe occur, should that serious illness or that death occur. How to do it? Very, very simple. Straightforward insurance cover, and that's why it probably doesn't get taken into account as, oh, it's part of the business assurance market, but it actually is. You are in business, you have the responsibility, put the cover in place for yourself. When you're not trading through a corporate structure, it's relatively easy, and actually even when you are, take out some insurance on your own life in trust for your family. If it's a critical illness cover that you're looking to put in place, do that on its own as a standalone policy or together with the life insurance, bearing in mind that if it is one of those either or payment type plans that, you know, if you become seriously ill, there is going to be no death cover if it's paid out early on serious illness. If you do that, then definitely consider a split trust where the serious illness, critical illness payments are paid to you and the death benefits are paid to others. If you have a corporate structure and you can satisfy all the other tests that there is a genuine employer-employee relationships and all of the other tests for relevant life policy, it may be possible to get the benefits of a relevant life policy to provide for your family through a discretionary trust. Whichever way you do this, it's just really important to take into account the fact that the contractor, sole trader, consultant market is a really big part of the business insurance market. And if you have any of those clients, those individuals as your clients or aspired to clients, then it's really, really important to ensure that they at least give consideration to what would happen if the dreaded critical illness or death occurred and the impact that that would have on their family. Building that in as part of your financial planning process when dealing with sole traders, contractors, consultants is so, so important.